In a world drowning in specs, pixels, and marketing buzzwords, we've forgotten something important: what action cameras were truly meant for. They weren't built to flex numbers or frame rates. They were built to capture life, wild, raw, unpredictable life. Think about it. The mountain biker slicing through trails of dirt and wind, the surfer cutting through waves under a crimson sunset, the traveler hanging off the edge of a cliff for that one perfect shot. These aren't specs, they're stories. And in 2025, DJI isn't just upgrading those stories. They're rewriting them, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just a camera, it's a creative revolution. A device so powerful, so intelligent, it doesn't just capture your world. It transforms the way you see it. So, let's dive into the 5 biggest breakthroughs that make this the most advanced action camera ever built. The heart, a 1-inch sensor that sees like your eyes. Every great story begins with a frame, and every frame begins with the sensor, the heart of the camera. The Osmo Action 6 takes a monumental leap forward with a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, a size rarely seen in action cameras. While competitors cling to tiny sensors for convenience, DJI throws caution to the wind. And the result? Footage that doesn't just look real, it feels real. In low light, you'll see detail others can't even detect: richer shadows, truer colors, and highlights that glow with life. Film a midnight skate session through neon streets and watch as every reflection dances across the wet pavement. Or capture a sunrise from the top of a mountain, where every gradient of light and shadow paints a masterpiece across the frame. This is more than better video. It's cinematic storytelling in the palm of your hand. For vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers on the go, this sensor finally breaks the rule that small means compromise. Now, you get power and portability, no trade-offs. Resolution that breaks reality, the 8K cinematic revolution. The second revolution lies in the detail, and DJI has gone all in. The Osmo Action 6 introduces true 8K video recording at 30 FPS, giving you clarity so crisp it feels unreal. You can crop, reframe, zoom, and still retain professional-grade detail. It's like having a cinema camera, but one that fits in your palm. Want buttery smooth action? Switch to 5.3K at 60 FPS. Want to capture the beauty of slow motion? Go 4K at 120 FPS. Want to go wild? Push it to 1080p at 240 FPS. Every droplet of water, every snowflake, suspended in perfect motion. Imagine a skier flying off a ramp in slow motion, the powder of snow glimmering like stardust. Or a diver cutting through turquoise water with every ripple frozen in time. This isn't just resolution, it's creative freedom. Freedom to shoot your story any way you imagine it. And with 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and advanced compression, your footage doesn't just look sharp, it looks alive. DJI has turned the Osmo Action 6 into a miniature cinema powerhouse. Rocksteady 4.0 plus AI Horizon Steady, stabilization beyond human limits, shaky footage? Not anymore. Because DJI's legendary stabilization just evolved into something supernatural. The Rocksteady 4.0 system, enhanced by AI Horizon Steady, doesn't just correct your footage, it predicts your movement. It analyzes your direction, speed, and tilt in real time to deliver footage that feels impossibly smooth. You can run full speed through a forest, ride a dirt bike off a jump, or even sprint down a rocky trail. And your horizon stays locked, level, and cinematic, even without a gimbal. DJI's AI-driven stabilization literally thinks with you. It turns chaos into clarity and transforms vibration into velvet. So whether you're a filmmaker or a free spirit, the Osmo Action 6 gives you what every creator craves: freedom. Freedom to move. Freedom to explore. Freedom to film without fear. Smartwatch control. The future on your wrist now. Let's talk about convenience that feels like science fiction. The Osmo Action 6 introduces smartwatch integration, allowing you to control the camera directly from your wrist. Whether you use an Apple Watch, a Garmin, or another compatible device, your wrist becomes your control center. Start or stop recording. Switch between photo and video, adjust modes, or even check live previews, all from your watch. But that's not all. DJI is taking it one step further with real-time data overlays. Imagine your heart rate, altitude, GPS route, or speed showing up live on your footage. Every heartbeat, every meter climbed, every second of adrenaline, captured as it happens. This transforms your clips into data-driven cinematic experiences. Perfect for cyclists, runners, and adventurers who want to show not just what they saw, but what they felt. It's no longer just a camera. It's your performance companion. Endurance engine, 30% more battery. Built for the extreme? What's the use of all that power if your camera dies halfway up the mountain? DJI knows that, and that's why they've built the Osmo Action 6 to last. With a redesigned high-density battery and intelligent power optimization, you'll get up to 30% longer runtime, even in freezing temperatures or desert heat. Early reports hint at nearly 3 hours of continuous 4K recording, a massive leap from previous models. And with smart charging that fills up 80% in under 20 minutes, downtime becomes a thing of the past. Add 64 GB of built-in storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C direct output for live streaming, and suddenly, you're not just carrying an action camera, you're carrying a full production studio in your pocket. From vlogs to documentaries, you're ready to shoot anywhere, anytime. The philosophy, technology, that disappears. Every spec and every upgrade in the Osmo Action 6 hides a deeper truth. DJI's goal isn't just to build a better camera, it's to make technology invisible, so all that remains is your story. A bigger sensor isn't just about light, it's about emotion. Higher resolution isn't just detail, it's depth. Stabilization isn't just balance, it's confidence. Smartwatch control isn't just convenience, and it's creative flow. And longer battery life isn't just endurance, it's freedom. When tech fades into the background, creativity shines brightest. That's the heart of DJI's vision. The future of storytelling. A new era begins. So here's the truth. DJI isn't chasing GoPro anymore. They're leading the charge into a new era of creative storytelling. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just an action camera. It's an artistic weapon. A cinematic tool for creators who don't just record. They create worlds. Whether you're filming your next big travel vlog, shooting an extreme sports montage, or just capturing life's small moments, the Osmo Action 6 gives you something more than specs. It gives you soul, because when every second counts, every frame matters. And this camera ensures every one of those frames is extraordinary. So the only question left is, what story will you tell with it? Because with the DJI Osmo Action 6, the world isn't just watching, it's waiting to be seen, through your lens. It's got a huge 1-inch sensor that captures insane detail, even in low light. K recording, buttery smooth 4K 120 FPS slow motion, and stabilization so smart it feels like magic. Cinematic tone, run, jump, dive, your footage stays rock steady, and get this, you can control everything straight from your smartwatch. Power scene. Plus, a bigger battery means longer adventures, fewer breaks, and more epic moments. DJI didn't just build a camera, they built a storytelling machine. So, GoPro better watch out, because the action camera war just got real.